Yes crew, this video is dedicated to man like Raul Servini, who wanted to see a demo of the EB16 effects board. So this video goes out to you, mate. It's a very good point. We'll be going through having a little jam session in there as well to give you a rough idea of the effects. A very warm sound indeed. Yes, Massive crew, back once again with another video, and today we're going to talk about the AKAI EB16 effects card. This is a cool card that you can get for your AKAI S3000 series. It's also comes standard with the AKAI S3000 XL. And I believe this is for all the XL series and the old 3000. Comment down below if you've got an old 3000 with one of these effects boards in there. As standard, when you get an S3000 sampler, you click on the effects page and nothing comes up. It always gives you a prompt that says, you know, you need this EB16 board. So today, I've got one installed on my AKAI S3200 and also one in my AKAI S3000 that actually came as a bonus. I think when I bought it, the guy must have not known it was in there, whatever the case may be. Shh, don't say nothing. But anyway, it's really cool. I'm going to show you a demo of the card running on a few beats. You've got to spend quite a bit of time on the beats to get it tweaked to what you want, but you can have various types of effects stacked with it. There's reverb and other effects in there like distortion, modulation and all that kind of stuff, and some really interesting effects. What I found, it worked really well with strings, and you can probably use it for mentasms and the whirl of other instruments. It gives it warmth. If you're using it, you've got to use it on your main outs as standard, but you can also route it to any double outputs on your mixing desk and just pan them left, right. And if you don't have a desk and you're just running two outputs from your AKAI straight into your sound card, then this is a great way to just have little effects and stuff, and it just warms up your sounds. You can put it on vocals, it's got delays, there's ton of stuff. So without further ado guys, let's get into a bit more information about the EB16 board. So guys, from what I can see, this EB16 effects board also works on the MPC 2000. Don't quote me on it, guys. This is just some information from mpcstuff.com. And as you can see here, it's a pretty cool piece of kit. With the optional EB16 installed, the key effect gives access to the S2000, S3000 internal 4-channel effects processor. 2 channels offer multi-effects that include distortion, ring modulation, EQ, modulation effects such as flanging, chorus and phasing, stereo pitch shift, auto panning, rotary speaker simulations, plus delay, echo and reverb. The other 2 channels are reverb-only channels, giving a total of 4 reverbs, as each part can be sent to different effects channels. The AKAI EB16 circuit board gives you 100 user programmable presets. So that's absolutely sick, guys. So without further ado, we're going to get into it now, but it's very, very interesting. Check it out.
This is something you'll never witness before. This is something you'll never witness before.
So guys, now to get on to the jam section of the video. So guys, for those of you out there who are running the digital stuff and you're just thinking to yourself, well, why don't you just flip and do this in digital and put like a reverb on it? You know, for me, analog stuff has just got that kind of warmth to it, man, that's like, it's unique in my opinion. Digital's just like a straight replication, whereas with analog, you never quite hear exactly the same sound twice. I believe that's how the processors work in the analog stuff. And for me, especially when you play drums down real low, you find that you get these kind of artifacts that are kind of really unique to analog, which then you can use the best of both worlds. A bit of processing in your analog and then import it and capture that sound as it is created with the artifact in the old style equipment. And it's about bringing the old back, you know, a complete cycle, and mixing it with the new digital stuff. For me, there's something about the analog warmth that when you go back to it, you notice the sound. So for me, I'm just experimenting, mixing old with new to create something cool going forward. guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the sounds of the EB16 board. I thought they're really cool, definitely essential tool. If you're going to get one, to be fair, they go for a bomb on eBay. They are rare as rocking or scrap. So please, you know, if you pick up one cheap, then that's great. If there's anyone who's got any out there they want to let off at a reasonable price, let me know. Anyway, guys, take care, like, share, subscribe. Take care, God bless, peace.